Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Okay, we just see you fall off the jet ski.
Yeah, I fell off. But good thing it wasn't in music.
This are the lady them send me kick on her face. Me never put my foot in her face. I put my foot on her shoulder, but I should not have done that.
Tweety man, and me, the woman where you kicking her face last week shoes there. You didn't know that I was a woman. And I come put up $50,000. I come talk about. You don't like to know the lady where you're kicking her face. So you don't know where you're kicking her face. Go suck your mama.
A few moments later.
Good night. I meet the woman where everybody has said, beenie man kicking her face. And I really kick the man, kick me in my face. I rest him foot on my shoulder, but it took me bend down and I come up. It's coming up, it's gonna look like I'm my face, but it's not my face, it's my shoulder.
Them blame everything except themselves for them own failures. That is why they are controlled by everything except themselves. Have a good morning, motherfucker. She said I like
You were to do a versus. Who do you think would be the perfect person to stand up on the opposite side of you?
So, like for me, it would have to be a Movado. I could never do a versus with either Bounty or Beenie. It would have to be David Brooks.
Yeah, man. So basically, Vybz Kartel I say, if you do a versus, it can be with a Bounty or a Beenie. And also, it can be versus a Alkaline or a Massacre. A Movado, a female rival, a Movado, a female era. So when you get that through on the skull, the Massacre and the Alkaline them. Also the Bounty and the Beenie them. Because you would see them go against Vybz Kartel 1 and 2 times on the net. The man say David Brook. And the two of them forward up song for song for about 4 years. And also I want to talk about this, you know. You see this? This is a sealer. You know what I say? When I get too used to the word the sealer now, like when I get too immune to sealer right now, no. Because remember the first time I hear the Shenseea song with the Daddy Yankee, me compare it to the African World Cup song. When I get older and I said the Shenseea I go cross over and it for be the main song on the FIFA album, and see it there? It get billboard. I think it got 30 something on the rhythmic airplay. And the song, where the main song, it not get billboard yet. So the Shenseea and the Daddy Yankee get billboard before the Shakira, which is the main song on the album. So I see you, man. Remember I'm telling you, say, from a ear song, I know when song I go hit and when song I go cross over. I no need no write up in no paper, and I have to wait till it get no billboard for telling you when song I hit. So yeah, that a sealer. I will try confirm it with ChatGPT later down in the video. Yeah, because some people want to see it in a writing more than me just say it. You see me? So the next song, it no get billboard. And a Shenseea song get the billboard. So me did right. So it are the baddest song on the album, on the FIFA album. Yeah, and being man forward out to the little politician style of the damage control and pay the woman. I don't know how much in PR. Rumors are going around say I did 50,000. Me feel say all of 5,000 in can peel off get the woman right now. And she accept it. You see me? But here me I say, you see twins them, you don't notice I may take on a job right now. Only people used to look for blaze a fire or call out them something here. Yeah, but you know a selective fire, I have to always call it out. No matter how much time I have to call this out, I go call this out because you run out like a moral authority in a dancehall, and I just Vybz Kartel alone, me soon call out, bro. Yeah, me see a 1 and 2 comments I say, yeah man, 2 lakhs they touch pan it. Touch pan it? Me want see a whole entire title and thumbnail and you know the little catchy phrase that them used to use. Me want see the woman, I want see Beenie man in a thumbnail and some little catchy phrase like Beenie thought it was a man. You get it? Beenie say him think it was a man. That's why he kick her in her face. Where the catchy thumbnail and title, twins of twins, Beenie thought it was a man. On reserve them catchy something and them fun title for Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, me out here man. I mean the people I look for right now for burn a fire. Which part you know burn? Cause selective fire uno burn. But yeah man people, Vybz Kartel do an interview. And the interview there was a delayed interview. Like it do. and them wait for drop it. So also upon the interview there, them ask him if he on Drake album, and him say no. But notice that the interview they drop after Drake album. Them ask him something. I want bad interview. I gonna left the link in the description for who want watch a full interview. But yeah man, people, before me gonna further, let me introduce myself quick and fast to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. You have tuned in to the baddest reaction channel on YouTube, and I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and maybe gonna like up the video. And if you can afford it, join the membership or drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm gonna have a shout out Ital Life who forward you with £5 on the last video. Also, I'm gonna have a shout out Shagra who forward you with £5 on the last video. You notice that Shagra have a star on her name. Yes, Shagra just find the channel what there and already become a member and I drop super thanks. You see me? So there's no excuse for the people who are there a long time if you not become a member. I just what day she find the channel. And already she has my favorite vlogger. I'm gonna have a shout out Lucien who forward you with $50. Yeah man, you hear it right. Lucien, $50 on the last video. Yeah man, people, remember liking the video, commenting on the video, sharing the video is also a form of support. And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks or how to hype up the video, see the instruction that been run across the screen. Yo, you know so me have to laugh every time me get a super thanks. Me have to laugh. You know why me have to laugh? Remember when people used to say Gaza no support, Gaza no buy music. So over the years, all of them vloggers and people have been said that. Me need enough to watch from the sideline while you see me I get my donation and me support them. You see me? Yeah, and everybody who did say that SYM. Yeah man, me have to go there man. Anybody where that apply to, anybody who ever said that, brawling. Yeah man, don't look for no Gaza for no support. Make a vendetta man or a one side or a unruly man support. Don't look to no Gaza. When you say Gaza, no support. And yo, when me talk about support, me not talk super thanks alone, So my membership there grew already. You see me, views to likes ratio. I think Gaza hit the like button more than any other fan base. Yo, remember when me used to beg 200 likes. Now me average 500 likes. 600 likes. Bro, other channels, them have to get over 10,000 views for see 600 likes, A 5,000 views me I get, and I get all 700 likes, So don't just think of the pound and the Canadian and the US dollar me I talk about, The super thanks me I talk about, The views to likes ratio no normal pa my channel, bro. I support that. Solution there, me have to ask the man if a lion. Him talking at them man they no pass through and say, yo, big up Dreadbeard pan a normal. Them man they have to pass through with a $50. And him alone, every now and then somebody pass through with a $50. Even my apps drop $50 on the channel already. Ever you not like that? Big up yourself, liver son goddess. People, don't go away. Me soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Yeah man, SYM we tell them brawling people. Go and go ball now man. You see me? But Gaza no support and no like trolling. I know them still a say it, So anyway, make we get the accolades out of the way. So Shenseea, them say Shenseea score our 5th Billboard entry with the FIFA World Cup 2026 anthem Echo featuring Daddy Yankee. You see me? So me ask ChatGPT if a Shenseea song alone on the album go Billboard, want to the rest of song them. And this is what ChatGPT say. So ChatGPT basically just a confirm and I ask them because I want it in a writing. So them a say, yeah, Echo by Daddy Yankee and Shenseea already entered the Billboard debut at number 36 on the Rhythmic Airplay chart this week. But people, watch this. And the way how me ask the question, why then give me the answer, But the supposed main track, Die Die by Shakira and Burna Boy, hasn't made a notable Billboard chart entry yet from what publicly reported so far. Right now, Echo actually seem to have more chart momentum in the USA. Bro, nobody ChatGPT now gonna give them the answer there if them not ask the question, how me ask it. You see me? You notice the fancy word where ChatGPT use, but the supposed that the fancy word, the supposed main track Die Die by Shakira and Burna Boy. You have to know how to ask ChatGPT question for to get them answer. Yeah, me ask them say, is it true that Echo are the only song off of the album we go on Billboard? So me ask them like a trick question. Me also ask them, I thought Die Die was the main track. You see, because I know the answer already, me know the question we to ask. As some deal with ChatGPT, you know. Me don't know if you remember when me tell you say enough time me and ChatGPT war and me tell ChatGPT say, yo, you're wrong, you know. Go and go look up about that, man, you're wrong. And then come back with the right answer. You see, enough time when you hear me tell them something, I don't think I joke. But anyway, me not call it, man. Me not call it say the song is not the main song on the album, you know, but might as well it be the main song, you know. Because me I compare it to the African anthem. When I get older, that me compare it to. And see it there, even though it probably not have the crossover big like that, but it are the second best World Cup song right now. The Shenseea and Daddy Yankee, the Shakira and the Burna Boy, which is the main song. It no chart and a long time the song that they out. It no chart on a billboard yet. And me they also they tell you in the first vlog say I know every World Cup song transition and crossover. Sometimes when I don't know about it, I just the one song the world didn't know. When I get older, I tell them say the shenseea I gonna be the next thing to it. All who remember. So no people think of vybz kartel me they out there defend a facts me talk. A facts me talk. I just vybz kartel I'm an artist. So problem is a Gaza / mutual vlogger. Me just now got this vybz kartel, you see me? Yeah, but from me see it, yeah, but from me can analyze it, me I go forward out and make some bold claim. Say Shenseea the next big song and see it there, bro. See it there, bro. How much time you want me to do this? How much time you want me to do this, son?
Good night. Yeah. I meet the woman where everybody has said, beenie man kicking her face. And I really kick the man, kick me in my face. I rest him foot on my shoulder, but it took me bend down and me I come up. It's coming up, it's gonna look like on my face, but it's not my face, it's my shoulder. And who wants to head, say head. Who wants to face, say face. It leave it there so. Him don't apologize to me. Yeah, I mean, him apologize, accept it, so that's done with it.
So one king, one king. One king, you know. No disrespect, you know, beenie.
Rasta, everything.
Beenie, are you?
Alright, so I'm going to touch a little more upon this over my second channel. This is Real Talk. I'm going to talk about how the politician them use the same stunt upon the people them. Remember all the X6 man and them something. I'm going to talk about that over This is Real Talk. You see me, I remember for join the members only because the members only I got set for drop when I show the alkaline and the vybz kartel. When vybz kartel the dagger, the China girl at Japan.
What?
And alkaline try something like that. And the girl nearly box alkaline in face. Very awkward moment. But usually, when I put them something on YouTube, you get shadow ban or, you know, like when people say, watch before me take it down. Yeah, but that's the members only. Me not have to take it down. YouTube give a little more leniency in our members only. So look out for that. I go drop me still I promote the members only. So anyway, what me have to say about this, when me now go talk over, this is Real Talk. This no good no excuse that the twins them and Footer and everybody were born the selective fire and the selective outrage. This no good no excuse no for burn a fire upon Beenie Man, you know. Beenie Man still I get the flames, you know. If I look on social media right now, beer people are born Beenie Man, but I don't sound like a regular people. None of the big people them we know. None of the usual suspect them where always a bonfire. We don't see none of them. And just regular people are bonfire over TikTok. You know that say well if a vloggers a play them clip. Yeah, but this no give the twins them and Footer hype and Sir P. This no good no excuse. Nothing come burn no fire. Because the woman say Beenie Man a king and upon her shoulder him rest it and Beenie Man think it was a man and all of them nonsense there. Yo, trust and believe me do you know say you have people out there will believe Beenie Man. Say, I know, you know, I'm head up on his shoulder and me think it was a man and people believe, you know. Remember me telling you yesterday, one more sealer. Remember me telling you yesterday, say, me and the vlogger, when the artists them come out and say things or lie blatantly, me I go just believe it and accept it because the artist say it. Like how Shaggy say him sell diamond and me will forward out and say Shaggy not sell diamond. People say, oh, the little vlogger boy there. The artist not say him sell diamond, or the artist not artist man, and the artist bigger than you and richer than you. So how you have to tell we say the artist not sell diamond? Me will be the vlogger there where we'll say, yo, a lie Shaggy a tell. So Beenie Man will say this and 50% of Jamaica right now will believe Beenie Man. As simple as you see it there. Are just the smart people alone no believe him. Remember you have more illiterate people there in the world, man. And them dominate social media. Them people come in your comment section and diss more while, you know. People will believe Beenie Man, you know, and believe Shaggy say him sell diamond, you know. As much as I see them talk like them nice, you know. Them dunce as fuck, you know, bro. You see me? Why you think Foota Hype have so much followers? Like, Foota Hype genuinely have people who believe him, you know. Just look when Foota Hype go live. Look on the people in him chat where I defend him and I say, Foota Hype, yeah, Foota Hype, you're right. You see the people when Foota Hype black? And them are the smart people, you know. Everybody will get black. Me, when I first somebody will get black, you know. From I was a commenter, you know, before me start vlogging, you know. Me get black from Foota Hype, you know. Because me not go see her chat no nonsense and I try correct you or say something in the comment section. And you go block me. Me not have to diss you for you block me. So me proud for them on Foota Hype blacklist. Some people afraid because them no want to get black and some people believe him. So all of the Foota Hype of black people feel blacklist small because there's not enough people in Jamaica where can think for themselves. Them believe Beenie Man. Them give him a pass. But as me say, if I did vybz kartel, not done somebody wouldn't they around the woman, you know. I be a bride somebody would have around her and I tell her, say, so the neighbor would have get a house, she would have get a house when them done. Police would have involved when them done. Just like how Grindsman forward on the internet and say vybz kartel thief him song and be a people in a Grindsman inbox and I advise him if you do want to talk about sue. You think say if a vybz kartel him could have give her a 5,000 or a 50,000 when me hear say a that Beenie Man give her. You don't think that could have happened if I did vybz kartel? So pan one hand me not doing business and pan the next hand the man them if you burn a fire them me attack. Don't want like you don't want to hide and wait till this blow over. Like Foota Hype and Shaggy blows. No found just a wait me say. For this just die down. Vybz Kartel forward with a hot topic. For overshadow it and dominate it so you can run go over Vybz Kartel. And left Beenie Man. Me I tell you no bro.
I see that chain hanging right there. I see that OVO one of two chain. That's the camo joint, right? That's the camo joint. Yo, so what's your relationship with Drake like nowadays? Are you gonna be on his album? Or that's something we could talk about?
No, I'm not on the album. No.
Oh,
but we doing the same. Yeah, we doing the same run this year again with the arenas, because you know I sold out the 3 nights back to back.
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
yes, you did. Yep.
Yeah, in Canada. First time I've ever been too, but as it relates to the album, no, I'm not on the album.
Okay.
Did you have a problem getting into Canada? Because you know everybody.
Alright, so I'll close out by saying this. You know people love to talk about say vybz kartel pussy and you know say vybz kartel put out information where him want to forget. Vybz kartel have a style where him delay. You know say vybz kartel they in a new mansion right now and all of vybz kartel video them want to see. And when him there in the old one, you never notice that? Him moving at the new one, you know. But at the old one, you see with him and see them there in the pool. At the one where him they cross the lake from him son them. Enough people don't know the code there. The reason why I say all of that, I've said this. You see the interview here? It do way back before Drake drop him album. This is a whole interview where them just publish. I like vybz kartel advise them say, don't drop the interview. The interview with the all. So when them ask vybz kartel if him on the album, vybz kartel telling us say him not on the album. But if them they drop the interview the same time when it do, then you wouldn't have the speculation there where people are wonder if vybz kartel on Drake album. So vybz kartel left it. And him say, him a go there, Canada. Notice you know, him not even say him not on Drake album, but Drake on Fame album. Something that they sort of where you need to look into. So either him a do it for spite, so we don't know. So me say all of this again for say this. Vybz kartel put out information where him want uno fi know. So when you turn the talk about posty and you don't know who is Vybz Kartel, and you can't study Vybz Kartel. The only man who probably can study Vybz Kartel to a percentage are me. Me alone can study Vybz Kartel to a percentage because me still don't know if Drake upon female album or not. So me still not study him the right way all now. You just can't know. You see me, so me just leave you know, with a little gem there. Say all of the idiot them where one of the things say Vybz Kartel are post. Vybz Kartel post some things were in video all a month ago. Just go back go pre. If another new house Vybz Kartel they in about to be a old footage I see with him and see them. Or somewhere in record a long time and him just a post them. When him there in a new mansion I easy back and nah post nothing from the new mansion. Where you gonna get from the new mansion I probably have one next month from now in a delayed. You can't study him. So when him there all England and him a post something in a USA, you think him there USA when him there England all a week ago. Confused, you know. You see me, but me not good no more gems. Any gems you know want are over members only. Remember me a master promotion. But people, I have some I end it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you can afford it, drop a super thanks or join the membership. You see the video up on the screen. Over my second channel. Me not drop the video yet. But if you're new, go over my second channel. Set the notification bell to all. So when I drop the video about beenie man and the little X6 style there. You see me the little rich people and poor people style there. Yeah, but I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.